Hello friends, I hope you would have enjoyed this entire series, that is the glimpses of 75 members of the Constitution of India. This was a small attempt by us to pay homage and respect to them for the contributions which they had given in the making of the Constitution of India. And you will see in these entire episodes, it is not only the law, the constitution, but various other social aspects. Some aspects which we are talking today were also spoken at that point in time, like women trafficking in Orissa, Muslim leaders like Hasrat Mohani, Naziruddin Ahmed, Tajamul Hussain being against the reservation for Muslim. Hansa Jivraj Mehta, she spoke on Uniform Civil Code. V.I. Munniswamy Pillai, he is instrumental in reducing the daily allowance. Renuka Ray spoke against reservation for women. She was of opinion that this is actually lowering our dignity and underestimating us. T.A. Ramalingam, he spoke regarding the promotion of cottage industries. Basant Kumar Das, he spoke on uniform national policy of education. So friends, if you see different issues, like some issues which we are talking today, national policy for education, debates on uniform civil code are going on, women opposing the reservation for women. All these issues were discussed in the Constituent Assembly. These are just glimpses which I have given. I hope you would have enjoyed this entire series, and I am thankful to all my viewers for giving their valuable time in watching this entire series. Namaste.